Hi, I'm Rohan Burns. Have you or a loved one been affected by cancer? What if I told you that there was a way to possibly prevent cancer before it even develops? Today, we're going to discuss the relationship between diet and cancer. Hi, do you want to increase your risk of cancer? Try White Castle Original Sliders with 1 gram of trans fat. On the other hand, you could reduce that chance with some bok choy.
Hello. Did you know that delicious beef brisket burgers can actually increase your risk of cancer? Why don't you try a delicious loaf of whole grain bread, scientifically proven to decrease the risk of cancer?
Hi, do you want to significantly increase your risk of cancer? Then I suggest trying alcohol, which has been scientifically proven to increase risk of cancer. On the other hand, if you want to decrease your risk of cancer, try a tangerine or an orange, which both contain compounds that have been proven to reduce the risk of cancer. As I was saying, many fruits contain beta-cryptoxanthin, such as tangerines, oranges, and peaches. Beta-cryptoxanthin engages in several activities that aid in reducing the risk of cancer. These include scavenging free radicals, increasing gap junctions, immunomodulation, and the regulation of enzymes that are involved in carcinogenesis, in other words, the formation of cancer. The concentration of beta-cryptoxanthin in the blood has been correlated to a decrease in renal cell cancer, breast cancer, oral and pharyngeal cancer, skin cancer, colon cancer, stomach cancer, and lung cancer. On the other hand, alcohol is known to be one of the most widely used drugs in the world. However, alcohol consumption significantly increases cancer risk in the upper digestive tract. Acetaldehyde, which is a byproduct of alcohol breakdown in the liver, promotes cancer formation by interfering with the copying of DNA that occurs when cells divide. However, upper digestive tract cancers are not the only cancers that alcohol has been found to correlate with. One meta-analysis found that alcohol consumption also increases risk for breast and ovarian cancer, and this same study did not find a threshold level of alcohol consumption for which there was no evident increased risk of cancer. In other words, this study found that there was no healthy amount of alcohol. This is definitely something to consider.
Whole grains have been shown to reduce cancer risk for a variety of reasons. First, whole grains contain concentrated amounts of fiber, resistant starch, and oligosaccharides. These are carbohydrates thought to protect against cancer using fermentation in order to produce fatty acids that lower pH and serve as an energy source. Second, whole grains contain many antioxidants which have been thought to prevent cancer by reducing the charge of harmful free radicals. Third, whole grains contain phytoestrogens which are particularly important in releasing hormones that prevent breast and prostate cancer. Finally, whole grains have been shown to control glucose response, which is significant in protecting against colon and breast cancer. In contrast, charred meats have been shown to increase cancer risk, particularly prostate cancer. When meats are grilled to high temperatures, the meat becomes charcoal, which burns the fats. This burning of the fats produces carcinogenic chemicals known as heterocyclic amines and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, or PAHs. Extended exposure to these chemicals damages DNA and develops into tumors over time. In addition, charred meats, particularly processed meats, contain nitrates and nitrites that combine with heat to convert into nitrosamines that are known carcinogens.
Cruciferous vegetables such as kale, broccoli, cabbage, and bok choy are rich in glucosinolates. When broken down, they produce a multitude of biologically active compounds, with the two most important being indole 3 carbinol and an isothiocyanate known as sulforaphane. Essentially, these compounds inhibit the development of cancer in several organs through influence in inflammation and detoxification of carcinogens. Specifically, sulforaphane can inhibit certain carcinogenic enzymes while also inducing apoptosis, which is programmed cell death, and blocking cancer cell proliferation. Regular consumption of these vegetables can significantly lower the risk of many types of cancer, especially breast, lung, and prostate cancer. Eating a variety of these vegetables regularly can offer substantial protection against cancer. On the other hand, foods, specifically packaged baked goods that contain high levels of trans fats, have an increased risk in getting you cancer. Essentially, trans fats are artificially created fats found in partially hydrogenated oils that stimulate the production of inflammatory cytokines, which increase overall inflammation in the body. Inflammation plays a significant role in the formation and progress of cancer by causing DNA damage, promoting tumor growth, and enabling metastasis. Reducing inflammation through dietary choices can lower cancer risk and promote overall health.
Due to the complex nature of cancer, the whole cause of this disease is not known, which makes prevention a challenge. However, some recent research showed that about 18% of cancer is caused by infectious agents, while other causes include genetics and environmental factors. A different study concluded that 45% of cancers in men and 40% in women could have been prevented had risk factors been reduced to the optimum levels or eliminated. This proves that things such as diet and exercise could have significant roles in preventing cancer. However, there is still a lot about this disease that we do not know, so it is essential to remember that there is no complete cure for cancer and no prevention technique that will be 100% effective. Thank you for watching.